time he attacks, finds Mark for the bucket.
That was Sunyo there, racking up another assist there.
Mick Geronimo is the name to remember from PCU Dasmariñas Dolphins. Balik sa inyo, Jaime Cochef.
Maraming salamat. That was Daphne. Gad for 3. Knocks it down. Three-pointer will cut the lead down to 6. 23-17. Babawi ba? Ragandang. And the opener. Pass strong to the hoop. But Lacusong making up for that earlier turnover. Takes the screen and steps back. Stepping in. Short. The follow will fall. Another opportunity here. Shot clock is down to 4.
Nice pass.
Blocked though by Anaba.
It's expected, ano? Kasi ang dami mga bagong players itong mga teams na to eh. So nandun pa yung
Batangas Pirates. Gad. Kick out. Oriondo. Knocks down the triple. Dolphins. Opone. Another 3. This time. Nasukat na. But they immediately turn the ball over. Katayong off the glass for 2. Piñas Dolphins so far. Reyes able to find Pronda. Block at top.
Parang ang luwag kasi ng jersey ni Geronimo para sa kanya.
Katayong goes reverse. Rihungko. Anaba. Look at that shot. Just felt the ball inbound from the baseline. Geronimo. Another triple off the glass. Reyes. Stolen by Ba. Tatakbo dito ang LBU Batangas Pirates. Lacusong will slam it home.
Lacusong.
Gets it into Alpha Ba. Defended by Reyes. Muscling his way through for 2. Make that an and 1.
That was a great move by Alpha Ba. Not that he made the shot, but that he went quickly, after.